I'm hearing, prepare for takeoff. God is going to blow your mind. You might be presently experiencing a challenge. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Regarding how you trust and how you surrender. You're not supposed to do it alone. You're supposed to co-create, and I think you forgot about it. I think you're still trying. You have difficulty to surrender, you have difficulty to detach, and you know how when you manifest, detachment is everything. It means that you trust God. The how is not on your business. You are focused on gratitude because you believe what you expect is already done. You surrender to the Most High because you trust in yourself. You trust that you're going to receive exactly when you need to. And the process of detachment is going to allow you to actually receive faster, just because, again, this whole simulation is about remembering who the F you are. You are a God. You are God experiencing a human version of itself. Therefore, you have God's power. Only if you have a pure heart, the knowledge, the wisdom has been hidden in your DNA and is now activating fully with the sun, with the light, with the love that you share with other awakening beings. And I am here on your life today to help you remember, to help reactivate fully your dormant DNA, for you to remember who the F you are. You are so powerful, you're so beautiful, you're so courageous. It's time to surrender fully. God, take this weight out of my shoulders. God, I trust you and I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I believe that I am exactly where I need to be. I believe that I'm worth receiving everything that I prayed for. This is going to align you with the vibration that you are expecting. And I am going to chant for you with Mary Magdalene quotes to help you align with this frequency of receiving. I'm hearing you do it. You see my back, you're taking way too much weight on your shoulder. You think you have it to do alone. All of this work, you think you have to work harder. But the thing is, you're not supposed to multitask. You're supposed to just rest in your prayer with the strong belief that what you asked for is on its way to you. Again, the more you trust, the more you receive. Close your eyes, please. It was 4, 3, 2. Everything about love. Take a deep breath in. And I'm going to ask the cosmic dragon to remove. I'm hearing this pain. I think you went through a period of your life, childhood, with parents, toxic parents. Yeah, thank you for the confirmation. It's now leaving your system. Your parent, you suffered from conditional love. You had to do to be seen. You had to do to be recognized. Raya sono kuma'a. You always think you have to do over and over and over to receive. You're exhausting yourself. You're tiring yourself. You're perfect the way you are. You don't need to be more to receive more. You do not have to do more to receive more. Karaya nara Archangel Michael kia anara a to kiyo mo oto iyo oro uma a. May this vibration wash you, clear you. Ishu urumu uturuku andara katoro uwa andara atara kutukunurukuma atara. Yoko soro ua nananate, yo nananotea, nananotea, nananoyotea, 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 atara yo okotoro uma. This is going to activate your crown to help you reconnect with God, the Most High. God just wants you to be happy, to feel the joy. For you to vibrate. There is a massive death and rebirth that is operating right now for you to embody the sun, for you to embody the light, for you to remember that you're the light. Prepare for takeoff, massive takeoff. I'm hearing you about to be touched with the love, the real love, because now you're going to surrender. You're going to fully love yourself, not pretending to be someone else. It's exhausting. Just surrender to your own essence. Therefore, it's going to push others to love you fully for who you truly are. You're going to be experiencing true love, a love. Oh, I'm hearing that it's going to take you by surprise. Cannot make this up. Just because you awoken to yourself fully, you're magnificent. You're so magnificent, and this is going to become obvious for yourself. Confirmation on my phone, and this is going to help you receive that. God is just waiting for you to fall in love with yourself. This is your doorway to receive your gold. You're amazing. You're living what's not meant for you now. This is going to be a tower moment for you to receive all the abundance. I cannot make this up. This is wish fulfillment. This is money, abundance, prosperity. This is self-worth, reward, I'm hearing. If this message resonates, please subscribe. It's going to help the world find my medicine. And if you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. You're amazing. You got that. Until next time, namaste.